Hey, how you doing? I'm Mike from 1A Auto. 2011 Ford F-150, very common. I'm going to show you how to access the inside or interior fuse box if you want to pull the fuse for the interior lights or something like that. Inside fuse box, open up the passenger door, and then it's right down here near the kick panel. You just come right in here. You might have to remove your floor mat if you have one. Up here there's just a grab, pull the door and pull it off. And then your fuse panel is right here. Squeeze on these two tabs, pull the door off. And inside here is your little fuse installer and grabber. You will need your owner's manual. The fuse, many vehicles have a kind of a map that show you where the fuses are. This just has the numbers. On this vehicle, 2011, it's on page 329. It starts and it basically shows you location number 1 is a 30 amp fuse for the driver's side front window. And then there's a map right here, shows location number 1. You can also confirm that location number 1. So that would be the highest fuse over here. Okay, for instance, we want to find our interior lamp fuse. So you can see interior lighting, puddle lamps, backlighting. It's position number 12 and it's a 15 amp fuse. Okay, this says position number 12 is right down here, which is just a little bit lower than this block here. And you can see that there's a 15 amp blue fuse right there. So I use my puller, just push it on. Okay, then squeeze it near the fuse and pull out, and the fuse comes out. And then if you wanted to reinstall, you could use the puller. I actually kind of, for most of them, I find it easier just to grab the fuse with my finger, get it into the slot, and then push. Okay, if you use the puller, make sure you put it back so you can find it next time. Reinstall the door, it clicks, then reinstall this panel. There's 2 tabs here. Snaps in place, and then make sure you put your owner's manual back in the glove compartment.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.